This aircraft's wings are so long they have to fold just to fit at airports. Meet the Boeing 777X, the most trending and advanced aircraft of 2025, a flying masterpiece built on power, innovation, and precision. The Boeing 777X isn't just another jet. It's the largest twin-engine aircraft ever built. Its mighty GE9X engines are the most powerful in the world, each capable of producing over 100,000 pounds of thrust. That's enough to lift entire buildings off the ground. With its record-breaking efficiency and revolutionary design, this aircraft is setting new standards for what the future of flight looks like. The 777X can fly more than 16,000 kilometers non-stop, connecting almost any two cities on Earth in a single journey. From New York to Sydney, from Dubai to Los Angeles, this jet makes the impossible seem routine. And inside, it's not just a plane, it's luxury in the sky. Bigger windows, mood lighting, and whisper quiet comfort make long-haul travel feel effortless. Every detail of the Boeing 777X was designed with purpose, strength, style, and sustainability. It's a symbol of how far human ambition can go when we dare to build beyond limits. Because this aircraft isn't just flying through clouds, it's flying into the future. Fire the Boeing 777X. Precision, perfection, air